everyone, so today I'll be showing you guys my skincare routine part 2. So if you didn't watch my first part, what just happened is that all the footage that I recorded did not record, and I still wanted to upload that part of my routine. So I uploaded that first and just continued on to a part 2, which this is just going to be talking about the products that I do use, how I use them, and how they've helped my skin. So if you do want to watch the first, you can click the link right above in the corner and that will take you directly, and then you can come back to this video. I'm looking a little extra pale today. I don't know what's going on, but bear with me. So I have all the products I use right here. This is just the bin I use for my skincare. I also have my beauty blenders in there, but that's not the point. So I cannot have my cleanser in my hand right now because, like I said in the last video, it is broken, and if I bring it with me, it's going to spill because I do have it positioned at a certain angle, so I can still use it. But the cleanser I use from Kiehl's, I'm gonna have the full name here. I'm pretty sure it's the Ultra Facial Cleanser. I will also have a picture of the cleanser here. So I have been using this since December because I was actually at the airport. I needed a new cleanser, and this was the only cleanser I found. So far, I've been loving it. It's really been clearing my skin, and I definitely feel like it's been very gentle and doing its job of cleaning my skin, making sure all the dirt is out, and it also removes makeup, which is a plus. I've been loving this. It's definitely a great cleanser because it lasted me so long. Usually cleansers, they don't last me as long because I do use them day and night, but this one has been very long lasting. It is February right now, and I think I'm like halfway through, so that's amazing. And they do also have one specifically for acne, but I didn't want to try that one out because I felt like it was going to dry out my skin. If you are looking for a new cleanser and you're willing to pay a little bit extra than like a drugstore price, then I definitely recommend this cleanser. Overall, I think it's an amazing product. Then after, I used the Thayer's Witch Hazel, and I don't even know what you say in the scent, lemon. This is an amazing toner. I love it so much. It's supposed to clear skin. I just get a cotton pad and I just put a little bit on and just wipe it all over my face. It gets all the extra dirt that my cleanser didn't get. I just feel like it does do some clearing of the skin. So it says it cleanses the skin of excess oil, dirt, and makeup while leaving your skin soft and younger looking. So yeah, this is just an amazing product. I don't know where you can find these. I know I bought mine at Ricky's NYC, which a lot of their locations are only in New York City, but I know I've also found it in Urban Outfitters, and I don't know where else. I haven't found this in a pharmacy yet, but I would just say go online and see if there's any stores that you can go and find one. There is a smaller version of this size. Also, I would like to mention that compared to other toners, a lot of times you feel like it's kind of burning your skin or just makes your skin a little irritated. This is so gentle on the skin. It's amazing. I don't feel like my skin's burning and like I want to take it off, because I have tried toners that make my skin feel like that. So right after I use the cleanser and I use toner, I go in with this eye serum from The Ordinary, which is a caffeine solution 5% plus EGCG. The point of this eye serum is just to depuff your under eye circles. It does help. You apply this twice. You apply it once in the day and then once in the night. And it does really depuff your eyes. You just have to be consistent with it, but as long as you're consistent with it, you can really see change. It's a really good eye serum. I think it's $6. I might be wrong, but it's an amazing product because I don't really have dark circles. My eyes just get really puffy when I don't get a lot of sleep, or just in general, like sometimes I just look like that. So this is a really good product to help with depuffing my under eye circles. Then after, I like to go in with my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. You guys have heard me talk about this for forever now, and it's just a great moisturizer, especially if you have eczema or you suffer from really dry skin. It's great. It's just so worth it. So then now I go in with my acne treatment, and I do use Curology. So if you don't know what Curology is, no, this is not sponsored. They are a website that they make personalized acne treatments. It also comes with a cleanser and moisturizer, but I don't use it because I feel like the cleanser and moisturizer I use is good enough. I think it was great. Out of all the acne products that I've used, this has been something that's been clearing my skin the most. Another thing I do have to mention with this product is that I'm someone who, once I start using a new product, I want to see change right away, and that's not how it works. So I have been using this since I think December or maybe the end of November, and I have seen change in my skin. I will talk about it more once my skin has completely cleared, because I feel like I can really talk about this product and show you guys like before and after pictures, because my skin does tend to change up a little bit, where it'll be like almost clear, and then like I'll get like who knows how many pimples, and then it's like restarting a whole cycle again. But this is a great product. I do recommend if you are willing to spend money on acne products and you don't want to go to the dermatologist, because usually what the dermatologist recommends is very expensive. So this bottle I think cost me $40, and this is a 2-month supply. So now I'll be showing you guys my oils that I use. So I use 3 different oils. So the first one I use is my vitamin E moisturizing oil. So I just use this, of course, for acne. I've heard vitamin E is amazing for your skin. I have seen change with this once I started using it on my skin because I used to use it just for lashes. But this really does help. I got this bottle from CVS, but I had to order it online. I haven't been able to find like vitamin E oil like in like pharmacies or anything like that, so I did have to order it online. I don't know if there is a store where you can find it. Then what I have been using, which has been my holy grail, and I swear I've heard people rave about this a long time ago, but I never realized like how much this actually works, which is just my bio oil, which is supposed to help scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tone, aging, dehydration skin. When I tell you this product is amazing, guys, I used to have a lot of acne scars above my lip where sometimes I'd just get like random pimples and they would never go away and it'd be like such a struggle, but those are completely gone. Okay, sorry guys for the whole angle change, but my camera stopped recording halfway through the video. So the next oil I use is the tea tree oil. It is great for acne scars, acne. I've been using it for 3 years now. This is something I always go back to in case if I do get like these little pimples. Find this anywhere from like beauty stores, supermarkets. Definitely an essential oil to have at home. And it's just great for the skin. You don't even have to have acne. It just really helps. You guys should definitely have this in your skincare routine. Another one of my favorite products is the Mario Badescu facial spray. I currently have the rose one, but I kind of go back and forth between I think the other one is green tea and then lavender. Such a great product. It's such like, I'm gonna apply right now. It feels amazing on the skin and it just really refreshes your makeup, and you can also use this as a makeup setting spray. It's an amazing facial spray. I love it. I've been using this for a couple years now. I also use the Evian. I don't know if it's Evian or Evian, but facial spray, I got this at TJ Maxx for $10, but I think it's originally $14. It's great. The only thing about this is kind of more of a keep at home product because it's such a big bottle, and I use this, the Mario Badescu, to travel or to just keep it in my purse. But this is the same thing. It just doesn't smell like anything. It's practically water, but it feels so nice on the skin, and it's also very refreshing. Okay, your girl was getting a little uncomfortable, so I had to change positions again. But another thing that I have to talk about, which is also a holy grail, is the Grease Lightening from Lush, which is a tea tree oil and aloe vera gel. This is amazing, especially if you don't suffer from a lot of acne, you just get like these small little pimples here and there. This is great. It removed like 3 pimples I had like a couple days before prom. So by prom, my skin was looking very clear. I wish that was me right now. But this is such a great product. This is just like an acne treatment. It's all natural. Like, it has an expiration date. Mine is crossed out. I can't see it anymore, so hopefully I finish this bottle soon because I don't know when it's gonna expire. But like I said, this is an amazing product and you guys should try it if you do get like small little pimples. The last thing I'll be talking about are face masks, but I just use 2 face masks other than the one from Lush. So the first one is from Glam Glow. It's a super mud clearing treatment. I use this maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. I do feel like this has also been helping with clearing my skin on top of everything else I use. But it's an overall great face mask. It is $60. I was able to get it in like a whole like gift value box, so I was able to get it for cheaper. If you are willing to spend a little bit more for a product on a face mask, then this is your go-to. So the last face mask is going to be the Indian Healing Clay. It is the most powerful facial, as it says right here. It's just a deep pore face mask. It has a lot of benefits. You can use it for tons of other things. This does really clear your skin, but it also can dry out your skin. I don't use it as often because one, it does dry out my skin a little bit. You do use apple cider vinegar with this, and then you have to mix it, and I'm too lazy to always do that. But you leave this face mask on for like 30 minutes and your face is gonna be so stiff, but you see such a difference in like just a couple of days of you using it. I would just say sometimes take breaks because like I said, it does dry out your skin a lot. So that is all for my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also comment down below if you're going to try out any of these products or if you have any products to recommend me for my skin, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.